JT here with New England Auto and Truck, parting out a 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe, stock number N01280, has 45K on it. As you can see, front end's pretty smashed up, not a lot of great things happening there, but the rest of the vehicle is in pretty great shape. Good mirror right there, heated with the turn signal, blind spot assist, as well as the surround view cameras. That's both the mirrors as well. We got a 000 front left door here, not a mark on it, looking really clean. Same deal with the left rear door right there, 000, not a mark on it, as well as the quarter panel right here. Also 4 good wheels on this vehicle. A couple of gouges, some scratches, other than that, looking great. Bumper assembly on the rear of the vehicle is complete with parking sensors. Lid gate also complete, 000, and that's with the hinges, camera, lights, and spoiler. Some great quarter panel tail lights on either side as well. LED. Moving up the right side of the vehicle, just got a couple paint chips right there. Nothing too bad on the quarter panel. Good quarter glass. 000 right rear door, as well as a good right front door with just a little bit of lip damage from the collision up front. As you can assume, could not get the engine running, but the interior of the vehicle is pretty clean. I'll show you that now. Start off with a nice panoramic sunroof up there. Interior of the vehicle is very clean. Some good trim panels. Bags did deploy from the collision. Interior of the vehicle, like I said, looking very clean, looking very nice. It's a 6-seater. Good glove box. I'll give you a view of the sunroof from above the vehicle. And like I said, that is a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe Limited. Stock number N01280, 45K on it. If you have any further questions, give our sales guys a call.